Law enforcement can best help APS by understanding the challenges of one another. There needs to be face-to-face contact. All too often, we operate in the realm of not social networking, but emails. We need direct contact with one another. Aside from that, we need joint training. Okay? Law enforcement officers need to be okay with letting APS workers know what the law enforcement challenges are. APS workers also need to be okay with voicing their concerns and their limitations with law enforcement as well. And when you can identify with the other side of what those challenges are, you know how more effectively to work together. One of the biggest things that law enforcement can do with adult protective services is just simply educating adult protective services on how important their role is. It's not always law enforcement officers that get that initial call. More oftentimes than not, it's that APS worker who gets that initial call, who has the initial contact, who has the initial investigation, and they're going to see things in a way that law enforcement officers may not have access to. Again, if APS workers understand that the availability of evidence is going to diminish the longer there's this delay of law enforcement interaction, APS workers can do a good job of identifying witnesses, identifying locations, and securing and identifying evidence so that when we come in and do our job, APS can handle the safety and protection of the vulnerable adult, and we can handle the issues of holding the offender accountable for any potential actions that they've committed.